JORI Glue Machinery Company supply 3 and 4-axis gluing working table. It connects with the 4-liter glue machine with the touchscreen panel, glue hose, automatic glue gun, and the axis system. The working table controlled by this remote controller. You can enter input the operating pathway program in advance. The gun can move by the XYZ axis, adjust the length, width, and the height. Max height is 100 millimeters. The pattern can be set the square, rectangle, and special patterns. Also, other glue guns for your choose. Welcome to contact us. JORI Glue Machinery Company has 10-liter glue machine with fiber gun and slot die gun. This glue machine is our latest touchscreen type, easy and efficient to control the machine working. It can be equipped with max 4 outlets. Gun width can be customized according to your requirements. The Teflon glue tank can load about 3/4 tank capacity glue. It can add extra glue at any time during working freely. The hose length can be customized according to your requirements. Different sizes of glue guns can be customized according to your different products. Welcome to contact us. JORI Glue Machinery Company has 7 liters hot melt machine, which has 2 outlets. 1 outlet connect with 2 meters glue hose and line type glue nozzle. Another one connect with 2 meters glue hose and spray type glue gun. It has PID temperature controller, switches on the main panel and controlled by hand. The Teflon glue tank can load about 3/4 tank capacity glue. It can add extra glue at any time during working freely. The hose length can be customized according to your requirements. Different type of glue guns and nozzles can be selected according to your different products. Welcome to contact us. JORI Glue Machinery Company supply the hot melt glue coating machine. Here are 2 different type machine: the horizontal type glue coating machine and the vertical type glue coating machine. The cap of the glue tank, the main control panel, the whole structure of our machine, the glue tank, control switches, and the behind of machines with the power plug, and the emergency stop switch, and the coating weight adjust device. If you are interested, welcome to contact us. JORI Glue Machinery Company has 5 liters hot melt glue machine. The glue machine is PID temperature controller, switches on the main panel, and efficient to control the machine by hand. It can be equipped with max 2 outlets. Now 1 outlet connect the 2 meters glue hose and line type glue gun. The Teflon glue tank can load about 3/4 tank capacity glue. It can add extra glue at any time during working freely. The hose length can be customized according to your requirements. Different type of glue guns and nozzles can be selected according to your different products. Welcome to contact us. JORI Glue Machinery Company 2-liter glue machine with pedal controller. The machine with arm type can work with line strip nozzle and mist spray nozzle. Another without arm type can work with dots nozzle, line strip nozzle with fixed point quantitative glue, which can be set output time and output quantity for automatically working. This machine is air pressure keeping type with the filter cup for connect the air compressor. Smaller and cheaper, widely using for all industry. We can customize according to your requirements. Welcome to contact us.